Hi, Anas. In last video, we learned about how we can do independently a self-research about a company through AI. So without lending your brain, how one good question can give you a right answer. So knowing right question is very important, and that comes when you more and more read, take, move out. नॉट ओनली रीडिंग। आप घर में बैठ के सारी चीज कर नहीं सकते हो। आप इंडस्ट्री के बारे में आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन, डे टू डे लाइफ, हेल्थ, लाइफस्टाइल, सबके बारे में आपको एक आइडिया आपका आ जाएगा कि क्या चल रहा है आसपास में, किस चीजों का डिमांड है। इफ यू आर अनेबल टू assess those that what people are consuming, end of the day you are investing in a business. And second thing is, to all retailers, that don't take big risk, take a risk where you can survive. If anyone is saying any target this that, don't listen all these things कि 2-3 साल में ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा। You should read your own, uh, क्योंकि you don't know that tomorrow what is going to happen. No one knows. It's a company driven by people. People, the main person may die, or may certain fire accident may happen in a factory, or may some operational risk may occur. So you never know. So whenever you take your call, you should know that if uh, worst thing happen in your best bet, then what is how you are going to come back. So take concentrated bet. That doesn't mean in one stock overconfident bet. So it is up to you. Risk management is completely up to in an individual. I see a lot of videos on risk management, on so many other things people are talking. Risk management is absolutely how much volatility, how much you can afford to lose. It is not plus minus 5-10%. Our company may go through a long-term headwinds. You may still love to hold those business and love to add those businesses because you understand the underlying asset and you don't have hurry. And some person may find that no, I don't want to give an opportunity cost. I don't want to lose so many other opportunities over there. So what you will be doing, you will be focusing more towards that I'll be investing in a business which will be growing from here. Now, the point is everyone is different. So one may cut their position. That is why risk is a very individual game. Only keep in mind, take that risk where you can do a comeback. Indian market is a big opportunity layer, a lot of layers. So people will be talking about some headwinds, some tailwinds. There will be always an opportunity which will emerge in front of you. And either you take the step or try to understand the data. Try to understand that where I generally say that it is a money market. So anything, asset, like you take a money, you take currency, whatever it is not a equity market. Money flows from one asset to another asset. It may be in a gold, from gold to crude, crude to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to again equity, or equity to one country to another country. It depends on wherever we get a relative better valuation and opportunity to appreciate our money. Indian market in 2024 was in a bubble territory, like where 70 P, 80 P businesses, newly listed companies going crazy. So a lot of wrong thing has happened in 2024. And that is why a retail should create their framework that I don't want to go on, no, what exactly others are saying. I'll be doing my self research. So this is a platform where we given each and every section, आपको सेक्टर एंड स्टॉक्स के बारे में, कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यू वांट टू डू योर ओन। इट इज नॉट कि आप हर दिन आके इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आ जाओ या किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में जाओ। It is completely your choice. Data will give you every day some excitement. You need to understand that you are here not to 1 day action or 2 day action. You want to make money. It may come 20% in the same day, which you have taken in a morning. It may go on a 20%, and you may, as long as you are making a return out of your investment, no, it is fine. So whenever you come on our platform, try to explore it. So I'll be taking one by one small sessions on our each and every section what we made. So now if I come on a filter stocks, there is multiple predefined scan we have given. Now if I talk about breakout stock, daily breakout, weekly breakout, monthly breakout. So if you come on a weekly breakout, you will be seeing that here is a minimum market cap which we have given. Now, if you want to change from minimum to between, you can go and change. And if you want to change all stocks to no, I want Nifty 50, Nifty 500 in the same manner, Nifty small cap, you can select. Now, say these are the stock, no, which has actually showing some crazy volume. If you look at ITDC 35 last 5 days, but moved has already happened in last 5 days. If I need to look at businesses, I need to look at businesses which has not moved much, and now I need to go and do further study. Only this breakout is not a confirmation. I need to connect multiple other dots before taking an action. Either I'll be knowing I have my own research and understanding about a business which are doing good. If you look at NTPC Green, it is also not moved much. Apollo Pipe, these are the businesses know where something is happening because people are coming with the money. So people when coming with the money, now your part is only to look at uh, that why those businesses, what exactly is happening. Now it may be distribution, it may be accumulation. It is completely your understanding of from a price action. Even a negative price action, sudden panic, sudden bad news, people may accumulate in a low as well. So it is completely up to you. If someone asks me that what to do, unless you are very sure about a business which are going down, if you are value investor, you may find it is very attractive, you may buy and it may continuously go down as well. It is completely up. And if you want to make a small trade, के वो थोड़ा नीचे आ गया 20%, you are expecting a 10% bounce back, that is very different. That is an individual skill what one can do. But I'll be always looking at a what are the technical and fundamental dots I can connect and I can understand. Okay, fine. First, I'll be finding a demand. Okay, this is a demand I'm getting out of it. So then we'll be looking at stocks which has not moved much. 5 day, 22 days, and 66 days. It is almost flat. Now, if I go on this, it is also energy stock. Again and again, I'm saying that everyone is has their own circle of competence. It's not about that which other stocks are there. If you come and go and hover in all Twitter or any other platform, no, people will be looking at some people are talking about these businesses. So why don't you do your own and find something instead of just following in number of people, joining premium group or doing some wrong things. Instead of that, do a self-driven research, build your system, have your understanding कि ठीक है आपको 20% समझ में आता है किसी का मत सुनो आपको जितना जब समझ में आता है इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड 20 to 30% मार्केट कैप एप्रिसिएशन कि एक दो क्वार्टर अच्छा करेगा कोई भी स्टॉक जब हम लोग बोलते ही हैं 15-20% CAGR देन व्हाई वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद अ 20% इन 1 month व्हाई वी आर लुकिंग एट अ 40, 50, 100% when you are investing then you invest every time you are not investing. Everyone has their different way of making money. Whenever you make profit and short term, you pay tax. At the same time, you take out your risk profit, risk capital as well. Because when you are investing, there is no guarantee. There will not be fire. There will not be any other risk. KMP will not die. So many things may happen in a business, even in you where you have 100% confident. So always if you look at Rakesh Jhunjhunwala sir also was used to say that trading is a great thing where you can generate your ROE. So now look at NTPC grid. Now, if I look at a NTPC Green, so I'll be coming on, fine, this particular company is having um, free float market cap of 4,000 crore. And now I'll be looking at, since I'm not doing as of now uh, fundamental analysis, I'll be looking at exactly demand analysis. It may be fundamental, but I'll connect with filings. What is happening in this particular business? Why these people are putting money? NTPC Green Energy Limited Exchange about a declaration of commercial operation, wholly owned subsidiary. If you look at my post, no, you'll be seeing that I have updated about their commercial operation declaration. Just it is not a recommendation or anything, that how one can connect. Now, if these updates, if you just open and look at all those updates, okay, fine, these are the things, no, has happened. Now, the last part capacity 78 megawatt out of 0.255 megawatt Khavra solar PV project. So, a lot of commencement is happening. So, commencement equals to a revenue opportunity. Now, if you come on a revenue opportunity is coming, now come on a this technical part, you will see that a good formation. After a continuous downtrend, the stock is having a good consolidation and coming out. Now, if you come on this data, so you will be looking at, okay, fine, some people are doing no 145 crore of accumulation. And if you again want to see that, okay, fine, last time what has happened, what exactly happened, when last buying was happen, and what is the minimum amount people are putting. Minimum amount people are putting 5 6 7 here, and now suddenly a huge jump in activity and price is more or less in the same place, where some 170 crore 110 here kind of a buying is coming. Some people are buying it, and now if you look at, no, there is a surge in delivery, surge in trade, everything, there is a huge interest popping up. So one is company, what we are looking at. Company will be having a higher EPS, company will be coming out from loss to profit, all these things, a turnaround, a growth. So here what we are looking at, company, a power company is coming with a lot of energy, like capacity expansion, commercial production and all. So now if you look at this business, it may not be great to invest and stay forever, but at this moment no one can trade. So how one can filter stock? Now if you, I just put it in a, say, on my watch list, and in watch list I keep some note that okay, so commercial operation is going to commence, and it will accelerate EPS, and save a note, say. So next time whenever I'll come, I can see what is my note, and now even I can write something, no, that uh, last 20 days very high accumulation at 95 to 100 zone. So you can keep your note, so which you can refer in future, that what was your logic, how much you gain out of it, or what was your learning. So in this way, one can filter stock. This is a breakout stock I spoke about today, and a weekly breakout, same way daily breakout, monthly breakout one can look at. And next scanners, like VWAP, RSI oversold, price momentum, top 100 scan. So each and every scan one can look at in the same way. They can modify the minimum maximum amount. They can select here Nifty 500, Nifty mid cap, Nifty 150, Nifty small cap stocks. In this way, you can Always try to look at businesses which has actually not moved much and in a flat territory, and then you select the business. No, that whatever it is, it may be, see, like all those businesses, if you want to do a back test, you can do back test over here. You'll be seeing that no lot of businesses was coming in a, now you want to check, no, I want to see certain businesses where move has not happened and some delivery is going on. You'll see Minda Corp, some good amount is coming. Triveni Turbine, so much volume is coming. Poonawalla. So all these businesses are getting certain attention. Now what is happening? You need to go and search and connect all the data we have given, profit and loss, balance sheet, advance insight. You come on advance insight, look at things, look at their filings, look at promoter activity, if anything has happened or not. So in this way, you can use, filter your stock, connect a fundamental, see all the things are in place as per your circle of competence, then take your whatever decision you want to take. It is a platform where you don't have to ask anyone. It will not give you a signal, it will present a data to you. It is up to you that how you are going to connect and make a decision out of it. The second thing is we have given a small, just I want to touch, I'll be taking a detailed session on it. We have given a promoter buying section. In promoter buying section, there you'll be looking at 29.1 and 29.2. So whenever 29.1 in means what? 29 under section 29 subsection 1 means whenever a promoter is holding 5% and more, their change in holding, it becoming a and coming under a regulation 29 under section 1. So it come on a disclosure. So we have given this disclosure that okay fine, this is the company where something is happening, a big chunk of buying or acquisition of share is happening in this company. Now on 29.2, if further some additional after buying, say you bought 5% or 6%, now again you are buying another 2%, whether it is a buy or it is a sell. So you may be selling 8%. So it will come on under section 29.2 that some mm, uh, selling of share is happening in a certain company. Now you can select pick okay, that I want to see no only buying. Then, if you want to see all regulation 5% change threshold, you can, okay, fine. These are the company, no, something is happening on a 29.1. Some buying and selling at the same time may happen. Like if you look at all, you'll be able to see all transactions. Now, if you come on a insider trading, promoter buying gives a clue that promoter is having a confidence on their stocks. Now I'll be putting at a value. I'll be looking at, I want to see where promoters are buying and I'll be filtering out as value. So I'll be looking at Suven, there is a buying. HCG Healthcare, there is a good buying. Electrocast, there is a buying. So if you want to see modes, you can see conversion of security, where some security conversion has happened, where some ESOP has happened. So in this way, market sell, market purchase, everything you'll be able to get uh, through this filtering as well. Now, all categories, director, employees, immediate relative, key managerial person, promoter group, who bought. And then you go and check in Sri Digvijay Cement, some promoter buying has happened. Now you go and check this particular company and look at that what is exactly happening in this company. Promoter is buying any filing. So what exactly uh, con call, investor meet, their transcript, all these things will be there. So go and check all these updates and connect whatever data you like. No, this particular company, I understand, cement industry, I understand. It is completely up to your circle of competence how you are looking at things. Okay, thank you everyone.